Let's learn how you can personalize your ChatGPT. So let's start by opening our browser or ChatGPT application. And you need to go to chatgpt.com website. Then you need to click on these two lines to open a menu in top left corner and click on your account. So you need to be logged in. So click on your name and click on customize ChatGPT option. So it will open this pop-up window and you can customize your ChatGPT here. So what should ChatGPT call you? You can type whatever you want. You can type your job. So what are you doing? I will just type this for example. What traits should ChatGPT have? So you can select whatever you want. I will say chatty, encouraging, Gen Z, so it can outside the box, corporate, anything ChatGPT else should know about you. You can type here whatever you want and just click on save. So you also have this option enable for new chats. I would disable this because I would like to need this only for this one chat. So disable it and click on save. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.